President Trump has weighed in on the fires, taking some heat for threatening to cut off federal funds to the state. I want to bring in our chief White House correspondent, John Carl. And John, the president is blaming poor forest management by the state of California. State officials just blasting back.
Well, George, the president's very first response to these fires was to go on the attack against California state officials for what he called gross mismanagement of the forests, saying in a tweet, "There is no reason for these massive, deadly, and costly forest fires in California except that forest management is so poor." And then he tweeted a threat: "Remedy now or no more Fed payments," suggesting he could pull federal payments in the future. That has resulted in a whole host of criticism, including from the very top fire official in the state of California, who responded saying the president's message attacking California and threatening to withhold aid is ill-informed, ill-timed, and demeaning to those who are suffering, as well as the men and women on the front lines.
Okay.
And John, on another matter, the president's acting attorney general, Matt Whitaker, taking some fire as well. And we have Democrats now saying, I was talking to the incoming chair of the House Judiciary Committee, Jerry Nadler, yesterday, saying their top priority now in the wake of this appointment is to protect the Mueller investigation.
In fact, Jerry Nadler, who will be the chair of the Judiciary Committee, says that the very first witness he wants before his committee will be Matt Whitaker to demand answers about his past statements on the Mueller investigation. Nadler made it clear, as you say, that protecting Mueller is the very top priority. But at the same time, George, he made it clear that talking about impeachment is premature until we hear about the Mueller's final report, and that if impeachment ever comes to that, it must be bipartisan.
They want to see what he comes up with. John Carl, thanks very much. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.